They're under my bed.
Not sure what else you find.
I think this will be, yeah. This will be part 6. Oh. Center.
Oh, ooh. Jesus. This fucking huge ass dick. Yeah.
Don't rip my box, bitch.
I'm sorry, who paid for these?
Not you.
Me.
Right.
Chase did. You're fucking massive. You got a box, another box, and a fucking how-to instruction manual, and a condom. Oh, this thing's fucking big. What is this? 36 inches?
36.25. Not the 39-inch versions. Damn it.
Is that open all the way?
It's on the other side.
This is a fucking
Right?
strong.
So that's why I don't know if the Gym Machine Works will hold both of them up.
Like this?
Yeah. Stacked on top of each other. That farthest one out would be so much strain. Lou boy.
Why is this getting all the way up?
Because that's how we do it.
Is it?
No, it's all the way down.
That's nice. It's huge.
Right? So I didn't get on the scale, but I think they're right around 55 pounds each, so 110 pounds on the Gym Machines Works.
Trust like this. Double stack, dual stack, whatever.
So
People do it, but
I think I'm gonna have to make my own bracket out of angle iron.
you know what you should do? You should get some reducers for put like remote, and like 2 gauge right there. It would probably be the most efficient. To be
Remote
honest.
wire?
Yeah.
Like 16 gauge?
Yeah.
16 gauge?
No, like I'm talking like 28 gauge.
Okay, so 22, 22, 22,
2 aught.
8 aught.
8 aught. Okay, that works too. Yeah. And then 22, 22, 22.
Yeah.
And then just jump them together so the efficiency, you know.
So just have 22 come in here and then just have it loop.
Well, like here to here to here to here to
Right.
here. You know, why would you waste so much wire going from the batteries to your fucking amp 8 fucking times? I think you should go once.
And then just have the nice big 8 aught to turn it on and call it good.
Turning on is the most important part. If it's not on, it's not gonna produce sound. And then maybe we could, what can we do here? Let me think. Oh, RCAs, and then the fucking 8 gauge. And then what you can do is you can get like another, like one of those PS5 steering wheels as a base knob, and mount it that way. That's a lot. Do you have a Phillips in here?
That doesn't have a...
That's super small Phillips.
Huh. Look at those gold coils in there. You can't see them.
Oh, the camera, you can't.
There.
There they are.
Pick that up. Hold it lengthways to your short little body.
Yeah, this thing's like, it's my fucking torso. This thing, I'm not that big of a guy, but this thing's pretty fucking tall.
No. Not small. And then there's 2.
There's pop my fucking belt line. Can you imagine dude just fucking walking around like this all day?
I'm missing 3 inches, unfortunately.
You broke.
The 16Ks are 39 and a quarter.
So these are, no, there's no 16Ks. There's 8KXS and 8KXL.
That's right.
XS, extra small, XL, extra large. Louis' lip is on his leg. What do you think, Louis?
Louis.
Honestly, just leave me alone, guys. Well, on that note, I'm gonna go off myself. It's stupid.
Oh, we're 5 minutes in.
And what? What's that mean?
I was gonna post this for an update of what I got for the Blazer, because the last one was floor enclosure, and then just pick these up. The lights.
8,000 watts at 0.0125 ohms. Oh. 4 ohms, 17 watts.
Holy crap, the video quality got so much better when I zoomed in.
Did it really? You see my pores?
Wait till you see that.
Huh. See, look. 28 gauge, just loop, and there's the fucking remote wire. Insert right into the battery. Done. Mind blown. Open our own company.